like completely messed up the first manicure that I did, actually the first pedicure that I did, because I didn't realize that you're supposed to use alcohol at the end. So I was like, why aren't these things dry? Hi guys, I'm here today with something a little bit different for my channel. It is nail polish. Now, if you know me at all, I am like incredibly impatient, so I don't really like going to the nail salon. I just like doing my nails myself. I have a ginormous nail polish collection. Like, it is out of hand if I'm being completely honest, because I change my nail polish actually quite often. It's just something fun that I like to do, and it's very relaxing to me. Now, on that note, I've actually never tried gel nail polish. I thought it was going to be super time consuming, and like I thought it was just going to be really difficult. I was wrong, like super wrong. So I was contacted by Nail Addict, and this is what their nail polish bottles look like, and they wanted me to try out some of their products, and I was like, okay, let's go for it. Like I said, I was hesitant because it's gel and I've never done gel before, and complete transparency, I like completely messed up the first manicure that I did, actually the first pedicure that I did, because I didn't realize that you're supposed to use alcohol at the end. So I was like, why aren't these things dry? Whatever, it's you know, me being a beginner. Now I'm going to give you some tips, because the manicure that I have now is literally only my second gel manicure. So I'm still super new at this, but it made it super easy to do it this way. And I did lots of research. Thank you, YouTube. So yeah, let's just jump on into the application part. Okay, so that was like really easy, right? It's basically just doing your nails like regular, except you dry them underneath like a little lamp. Super simple. And then it's instantly dry, so you don't have to wait around. That was like the kicker for me. Instantly dry, so I don't have to wait around. Heck yes. So let's give you a close-up on the manicure. Now, I wanted like to find a way to show you several colors at once, so I kind of did this like funky design. Now, this hand came out really cute. It's like marble, but this hand did not, because, you know, isn't that the way it always turns out? But that's totally okay. Now, some little tips that I wanted to share with you guys. One, obviously, make sure to finish off with alcohol at the end so everything cures. Do not apply a thick coat at all, because then it's going to take even longer to dry or to cure. I'm sorry, I'm so used to just regular manicures. And also make sure that you don't really get any on the corners here, or that it doesn't actually touch your hand itself, like your finger itself, because if it does, then it's going to harden that way and then it's going to lift. So those are my tips. Now, I am sold, because I've never been able to accomplish this like glassy kind of manicure look. I'm not sure if you know what I mean. Like, to me, it's like a glassy look, and it's just stunning. And I didn't realize that the way people were accomplishing it was via gel. I thought it was just like an acrylic thing. It's not. It's just a simple gel. So definitely give this a try. They actually were nice enough to give you guys a coupon code. So you're going to get 50% off 2 nail polishes just by using the code TAMMY. And I'm going to show you the nail polishes that they sent me, because they sent me so many pretty colors. So this first one is Provence, and exactly what you see on the outside and right here is exactly what the color is, because look, that's the purple. There's no guessing. The next color is Cranberry Juice, which is perfect for fall. Such a beautiful cranberry color. And then Sea Swing and Sun, which is the base of my nails. Cherry Blossom. I used it on some dots on this nail. I think my lighting may be like too bright for you guys to even be able to tell. Then I used Kiss Me Now, which is what's on my ring finger. We also have Perfection. I love this color. I think this is going to be like another perfect for fall color. And then last is Sandman. So that is my take on gel nail polish. I am like so excited because I feel like now I get to have like that nail salon look without actually going to the nail salon. I'm so impatient. That's why I don't do it. I need to do like 50 other things at the same time while I'm doing my nails. So I hope you guys check out this brand. I'm in awe. I'm actually going to start like incorporating gel nail polish as like a regular thing, especially on my toes, because I actually don't redo them that often. So now this is gonna last me a while. But I'm super happy with this. Let me know if you guys have any tips on like gel nail polish, because I'm such a newbie. So whatever you can do to help me is fantastic. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and use your coupon code. Like you got 50% off. Go spend it. Go do it. Bye guys.